Let's talk about fabrication quality for pressure equipment. We're going to get right to what really matters, proof. So you've got two pieces of equipment. They can look exactly the same. But what truly defines quality?
It's not about what you see on the surface. It's all about what can be proven with paperwork.
Okay, here's what we're covering. By the end of this, you'll have these skills down.
A clean weld or fresh paint, that proves absolutely nothing about safety or compliance.
All that proof, all that evidence, it lives in one single place, the fabrication dossier.
So what's in a solid dossier? Well, you've got to have material certs, welding records, and NDT reports.
Think of this dossier as the equipment's whole story. It's the proof it was built right.
Now this is absolutely key, material traceability. It's the golden thread connecting everything.
So let's follow that thread. It's an unbroken chain built around one crucial number.
First up, it all starts right here, with the unique heat number on the raw material.
Then, that exact same number has to be on the material certificate. That's the proof of its properties.
And here's the final link. That number gets transferred to the finished part. Boom, chain complete.
Now, if any link in this chain is broken, you've got nothing. The quality just can't be verified.
So how do you actually check for this? You got to think like an inspector. Coherence is the key.
An inspector is checking for consistency. Do the certs, markings, and reports all tell the same story?
So where does this chain usually break? Well, there are a few common weak spots to look for. You see any of these? They're huge red flags. It points to a much bigger problem. Want a quick way to check quality? Here's a 1-minute audit you can use on the spot.
It's simple. Pick one random part, ask for its material cert, then check if the heat numbers match.
Because if that simple chain is broken on one part, the entire equipment's integrity is in doubt.